Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. I've been trading in US market for the past 1 month, and so far I've made around 35,000 US dollars, which is close to 30 lakhs in INR. So when I started US market, I was not very sure if I would do well because the price action. See, although the technical analysis is same across all financial market, the price action is quite different in US market, mainly due to the high liquidity. Some rules like, so for example, if in Indian stock market we have something like upper circuit or lower circuit to control the extreme volatility, right? So in US markets what happens is it's entirely news driven, and most of the traders use news to trade. I mean, other than technical analysis, they also combine fundamental analysis. So what happens is it gaps up like 20% and then goes up 40% for a week, and then what happens, another new comes up and it gaps down and goes down like another 40%. So it's completely volatile. And so when I was backtesting the data for the for the past 2 years or 3 years, almost around 500 stocks, I kind of figured out that it's not going to be as easy as India, because the price action is very different, and you have to be prepared for extreme volatility. I cannot take the same risk that I take in Indian market because of the obvious reason. So I started slow. I did not take any trade for the first 2 weeks because I did not see any good setups, and then slowly I started positioning myself with decent setups, and then I started to scale. So I started with 10k, then I started adding funds, 10k US dollars, and then it went to 50k, 100k. I think I have close to 200k worth of stocks in US markets for now. So I did not expect this kind of returns in a short span of time. It's been just 1 month, and I made close to $35,000, which is nice. And I have not even started to what to say, like, use my full skills in the US market. I've been just playing safe. Makes me think that there is a lot of opportunity in the US market. So I thought I would do a video and explain you and then give you an update about this. And definitely it's not as easy as US market, guys, that I know for sure. So when it comes to the trades, let me explain you. So majority of the trade is swing trading, and only one trade is futures. I have not started trading in options. Probably let me get better in swing trading, and then slowly, probably, I don't know, if I get the confidence, I'll slowly move into options. I don't want to burn my hands without knowing the price action in detail, what happens in the US market. So let me get proficient in this and then slowly move towards options. That's my goal. So whatever I've told you now, it's all unrealized profit. I think I'll close it very soon. I don't want to stick on to the unrealized one for a longer time. So yeah, let me just show you how it all went and what are the trades that I took. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is just explain you the stocks which I've traded to make around $36,000. I mean, when I'm recording this video, the profit is close to 36k, including the Dow Jones futures trade. Okay, so basically the first trade is City Holdings. As you can see here, it's a very easy trade, the pattern breakout, and then Dropbox again. It was a very good breakout. I mean, there was a kind of a fake breakdown, but again my stop loss was this, so I didn't have to worry much. And it's right now it's around $30. I'm hoping that it will go up further until the all-time high. Let's see. And the next stock is Form Factor. This is a very good setup. If you look at this, this is a very neat breakout. There is another pattern in here as well. It has come out, and this is where I entered here, but I failed to average here. I wanted to average, but I had limited funds. Okay, so I could not average. But yeah, I knew that when it was retracing like this, this is a very good opportunity to buy in the dips. And as expected, it is going up, and I feel it has a lot more potential to go up. The other one is Blend. I don't know how. Yeah, Blend Labs. So this is like a micro cap, and I entered in this one, and I allocated very less capital into this. I think around $6,000 or something. I did not allocate much. So yeah, I made some 20% or something in this, I guess. and yeah, it was worth the risk. And again, this is a very decent set. I wouldn't say this is a very great setup, very okay setup. When I entered it, I thought I might hit the stop loss, but I did not, thankfully. Very mediocre setup. The reason why I call it is because yeah, I mean, I just find it mediocre, that's it. Like you can see that it has been forming only for the last 6 months, right? So I mean, there is no proper pattern. There has been a lot of confusion here, so that is why I call it a mediocre setup. Okay, so next one is Skechers USA. Again, this is a very good stock. You look at this, it went up after the the good breakout which happened. This is a weekly breakout, so basically I entered here, and a decent profit. I mean, right now all my positions are in profit. I think I might book the profits on Monday, at least partially. So yeah, these are the stocks, and almost, I mean, majority of the stocks, I mean, it looks now like it's an easy trade, but it was not the same case when I was doing the back testing, and when I was doing the research. Basically, the stock did not look as pretty as when I'm showing you now. It may look like it all looks like Indian stock, but no, that's not the case. I had to go through a lot of stocks to filter this out. Okay, so that is why. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I hope to continue this profits. Let's see how this goes, and I'll just keep you updated. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section, and also like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and also like this video so that a lot of people can see this video. And also thank you so much for the support. See you soon again.